I don't think most of those systems are worth much. The guy that recommended, he's got a $5,000 system. I think that's worth $5,000 because it gives you every single thing you need to know in terms of the trust, the companies, the structure. Within Ability, it gives you everything you need to know in terms of the taxation stuff. And then, of course, you can spend the other money. You can either have him set it up or buy the course. And they're pretty comparable in terms of cost. But one is one time and one is forever knowledge. So I'm kind of passionate about finance, kind of passionate about it. So
The guy is Mark Kohler.
I knew it was Mark. I always forget his last name. But there's knowledgeable people who give out information. I think I'm also just very turned off with, I love business, I love capitalism, but we live in a world where now everything is. Like, you can't go to TikTok for a recipe anymore, or really anything, because every single thing is just, but wait, this sourdough stir is what you need. And they don't even like the sourdough stir. They're just referring it because they're making money off of it. Seriously? This thing is crap. But anyways, this is not that hard. It's just hard to buckle down, as Dave Ramsey would say. He's got a program, I forget what his is called. Danny Johnson had hers, which was called War on Debt. And just first, you're trimming all the fat. I don't know the lady's name, beautiful lady, but she had this teary-eyed story where she just stopped for 3 years. She mailed herself a check every single pay period for 2 weeks. She made every 2 weeks or something like that for years to be the first person in her family who ever saved up. And she thought she had $30,000. She ended up having $60,000. But she got out of debt, stopped getting her nails done, stopped getting her hair done, stopped doing all the things, and just started to get serious. And that's what it's going to take. And most people don't want to do that. They don't want to get serious to say, wait, I'm going to get really serious about my budget. Never paying interest to somebody but myself. That alone will make you rich. I didn't say, believe it or not, I am a firm believer that if you just stop paying interest to everybody else, the people who do payday loans and the furniture, like the Rent-A-Center furniture, right? Or rooms to go, like all those, here, buy this washer and dryer.
Those are usury.
Those are awful. A bajillion percent. That should be against the law, but it's legal. Your credit card, 24%, $300 annual fee, that and another. It's wild. Stop giving them your percentages and you'll find out, wait, I actually do have an extra $500 a month that I was paying the interest and now you get to keep. And that's your first step. And then from there, you're building and just accumulating. Real estate's a little tough right now, although it's coming down. You can buy boring businesses. You can do all kinds of things. You have to be structured right for that. But money is everywhere. It's just hard to get from where you're at now to see that other side to get there.